So this is our fourth year, both in the West Coast and on the East Coast, and doing these conferences and the exchange, and it's been immensely valuable for us. Number one, the content is always exceptional around client experience. Number two, we get access to delegates and members of the exchange who belong to some very important, prominent financial services industry customers that we have access to have conversations with, which frankly, we've struggled over the years to penetrate into. So from that regard, the meetings are always very valuable and always leads to an exceptional amount of follow-up from every year we participated in the conference.
One of the reasons I love CX events is one, we get tons of results. Every time we come here, we find individuals that are actually looking for our business. So everyone is actually looking for a customer data platform. We also get insights on different challenges and needs that they have, whether they're immediate or high need. So it does allow for some effective conversations.
If you're considering a CX event, I'd say give it a try. Uh, Meet some valuable customers, start to form some relationships, but definitely spend time not just in the one-to-one meetings, spend time in the rest of the sessions, get to know the community that you're interfacing with.
And in every instance, we've had follow-ups with the conversations we have with the clients that we meet with initially. So it's an ongoing dialogue, it's an ongoing conversation. And I would even volunteer that in some cases, the use case may not perfectly fit what we do as a company, but everyone is always very open to making introductions to where we would possibly fit. So it's not just the delegates who are here, but it's also folks that they have access to back at their companies that become very valuable access mechanisms for us as well. So it's been immensely valuable for us indeed.
It's definitely worth it, not just for from our partnerships, revenue, sales, all across the board, marketing. I definitely think one, if nothing else, you come out and meet great executive positions, network, be able to take that further in your LinkedIn. But then from there, just you're able to get into accounts that normally in an outreach you wouldn't be able to get into. So to me, it's worth the investment to come out, bring it forward for our CX team, and definitely bring some things home for your internal team.
In the next 12 months, the exchanges will help our growth in that they'll help us keep a finger on the pulse of all the change, especially as generative AI and AI technologies reshape the customer experience landscape.